Hey, I got this 1989 Mercedes-Benz 420 SEL, and the hoods on these old Mercedes are awesome because there's two service positions, and you can only get it on these Mercedes where the hood just goes up straight, and you can work in your engine bay and have all the light in there without anything in the way. This is how the hood is on every other car, and you could work on it like this. Or if you have a Mercedes, you can work like this with the hood all the way up. So you get in the car and then you just pop the hood on this lever right here. Just like that. Pull up the hood a little bit, take this lever, pull it out, and lift up the hood. So you can see the hood is still not all the way up. So here's what you got to do. So there's a lever right there. And there's also one right there, right here. So with the hood up, you pull this lever down while you lower the hood, and once it goes down all the way, you raise it back up, and then you go to the other side. And here you have the same lever, just pull it down, and then lift it all the way up. And now, this lever right here holds this in place so the hood can't fall over. And then same here. Same here with this lever. And that is how you set your hood into the service position, or the best working position. And I guess now I will also show you how to put the hood back down on this car. Because for that we need to get on this lever again. So you pull this lever back while just pulling down on the hood. So at this point you don't have to touch this lever or this lever anymore, but just close the hood. And that is how you open the hood all the way and then close it again. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Otherwise, have a nice day and God bless you.